parametric rolling. On completion of this media presentation, you will know when parametric rolling occurs and how to prevent it. Vessel is steaming into seas with the waves about a point on the port bow. Wind increases rises wave height and the vessel starts rolling slightly. The wave length reduces and encounter period starts to reduce as well. As the waves increase further and rolling increases, the natural rolling period of the vessel also increases. With increasing head seas, the vessel reduces her speed. This increases the encounter period of the vessel until it is about half of the natural roll period of the vessel. The wave length is now falling within the 1 to 5 times LBP. Occasionally, the vessel rolls heavily 30 to 40 degrees. As the rolling dipping of the vessel reduces with speed and the two factors, natural rolling period becomes the encounter period. Length of waves falls within the 1 to 3 tons LBP. Vessel starts rolling parametrically. Vessel now increases speed, thus changing the waves encounter period. Vessel alters course, bringing the waves more towards the beam, thus changing the natural roll period. The violent 30 to 40 degrees parametric rolling begins to decay, leaving the ship roll to its natural motion. Do not allow the vessel to roll parametrically the next time. Monitor weather conditions so that conditions which may suit parametric rolling can be identified in advance. Change the heading as soon as the vessel natural roll period is starting getting disturbed. Increases speed to shorten the